Hello, students. Welcome to the series of part of speech, and today we will cover the last part of speech, and that is interjection. We already have covered noun, pronoun, adverb, adjective, verb, conjunction, preposition, and now this is the last one. Okay, so now what is interjection? Interjection is the word that shows spontaneous feeling or emotions of a person. ओके सो इंटरजेक्शन वो वर्ड है जिससे हमें पर्सन की पर्सनल फीलिंग पता चलती है और वो स्पॉन्टेनियस मतलब अचानक से आई हुई फीलिंग या इमोशन का एक्सप्रेशन होता है, उसे हम कहते हैं इंटरजेक्शन. लेट्स गो थ्रू फ्यू एग्जाम्पल्स देन वी विल कम टू नो. लाइक हुर्रे आई वॉन द रेस. हुर्रे is a kind of expression जो बता रहा है कि a person who has won the race is in a happy mood. Arg, it's not working. It shows frustration कि जो भी चीज़ है वो काम नहीं कर रही है. Oh, he's so cute. That shows that something is very cute. Oops, I missed the show. Oops, generally we used it for the sake when we commit any mistake, okay, and realize that what I have done. Then in that case we use oops. Yippee, I got new dress. Okay, yippee is used to express a joy after accomplishment of a task. Now, see, there are few rules, few things which you need to keep in your mind, that interjections are not grammatically connected with the other part of speech in the sentence. Let's see, or it's a cute teddy. Okay, if you see this particular interjection or is actually expressing a personal feeling. It has nothing to do with it's cute or the teddy. Alright, so it only expresses personal feeling. In case if we remove or and simply read it's a cute teddy, it will hardly make any difference in the structure of a sentence, and then also it will convey the same message ki yes, that teddy is very cute. And simply if you add or in the interjection, then in that case it expresses the personal feeling and emotions that for that particular person the teddy is very cute. And it has one more very important thing which you need to keep in mind, that it generally ends with exclamation. Okay, the sign is given in bracket, and at times it is also indicated by comma. Students, I have here very important notes for you. We generally use interjections in our daily life, but we don't know the exact meaning that what do they represents. Okay, so here I have 8 interjections and along with the meanings as well. Okay, now go through it. Or it means something which is very cute or sweet, like we say that oh, she is so cute. Okay, now see the second one. Bingo, it acknowledge something is right. Okay, like bingo, that's exactly the thing which I am looking for. So when you try to express anything, when you try to indicate that yes, this is the right thing, then in that case you use bingo. Oh, oh means when you say oh in a sentence, it means that you are saying I see or I think. Like, oh, this key is here only and I was looking for here and there. Okay, so क्या बोला मैंने, आई हैव सिंपली यूज्ड ओ, और उसके बाद मैंने ये नहीं बोला कि हाँ आई सी या आई थिंक. I simply use the sentence. So when you use oh, it means that you are saying that I see or I think. Now, oops. Oops is when you realize that you have done a mistake. Okay. Ouch, it's an exclamation of a pain. Suppose you are running and you fell down all of a sudden and you get hurt, then you say ouch. Okay, then shh, S double H, it is here to represent silence. Many a times teachers ask you to shh. Okay, rather saying class keep quiet, a teacher simply says shh. So this type of interjection, yeah, this interjection is It conveys the message of silence. Wow. It gives you the feeling of surprise. Yay. It is a congratulatory exclamation. Yeah, it's a variant of yes. Many a times we people have seen rather using yes, we generally use it yeah, I know it. Okay. Yippee is a celebration note. Okay. Whenever in any situation you are celebrating anything, then you use the word yippee. Okay. So this was the last interjection, sorry, this was the last part of speech, and it was interjection. I hope you all have gone through the previous videos as well. Okay, it's already in the list. Students, keep learning, keep studying, keep watching my videos, and stay home, stay blessed. Thank you.